everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make these lemon white chocolate cookies. For your ingredients, you're going to want granulated sugar, all-purpose flour, salt, baking soda, lemon extract, vanilla extract, white chocolate chips, butter, yellow food coloring is optional. You're going to want lemons and an egg. We're going to start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And then we're going to zest a lemon until we get 2 tablespoons. In a large bowl, we're going to take half a cup of softened butter, 1 cup of sugar, and then the lemon zest, and we're going to blend that together. We're then going to add in 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a teaspoon of lemon extract, and an egg, and then we're going to continue to combine this. And here I'm just taking one of the lemons I zested and using it for a tablespoon of juice. And then we're going to add that fresh lemon juice straight to the bowl. This is optional. I'm going to be using yellow gel food coloring just to make it a little more fun. With the lighting in my kitchen, it was hard for me to tell if it was super yellow or not, so I did add more food coloring here. And then we're going to go in with 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and then we're going to sift in 1.5 cups of flour. And then we can mix this all together until combined. And I recommend scraping down the sides of the bowl with a spatula just to make sure everything is incorporated. And then we're going to add in 6 ounces of white chocolate chips and fold those in. And then we're going to want to prepare our pans with parchment paper. And then I'm going in, putting the dough about 2 inches apart on the pan, and I'm just using a medium cookie scoop to do that. And then we can put this in the oven and bake for 10 minutes. I do recommend checking it right at 10 minutes. It's very easy to overbake these cookies. Once these come out of the oven, you're going to want to let them cool and set on the pan for a few minutes before you remove them. I went ahead and baked the rest of the cookies and I made about 24. My roommate had one of these and he said they tasted kind of like Fruity Pebbles. And I did bring this to work. They were gone immediately. I had a few people asking for seconds, so they're pretty good. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. If you want to see more of my videos in the future, don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well as the bell button, and that will let you know when those come out. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!